So somebody messaged me on LinkedIn and saying that they're looking for a stock coverage analyst and they kind of interested in my profile. So I sent them a resume and they called back and already scheduled an interview, which is going to take place this Wednesday, which is in like 2 days. And I'm kind of a little unprepared, but hopefully I can get, some knowledge back by studying BC Valuation a little bit. I'm just going to do a DCF analysis for a Thai stock with the ticker SAPE. So first of all, what you want to do is you just download statements. Like I think most people would go to like a stock exchange website, like because it's free, and you can download like any statements from here. Yeah, company snapshot, update, technical chart, blah blah blah. But I don't know how to use these. But I have Refinitiv workspace, so I mostly just download everything from here because it's so easy and convenient. You just type in the ticker SAPE, and then go to financials, and then click the financial summary, and then click download income statement, balance sheet. You can just select all, and you get all the things. You click export, you get the Excel file, which is this one. So this is what you get, like income statement, balance sheet, cash flow. Yeah, the business line by segment, like they have health drinking products, food products, other segments, and they also have information on like geographic line. And typically they, like this company, they export to many countries. A little bit of background. It's a functional drink company that sells chewable drinks. And it sounds weird, but like they have like this, I think it's jelly or something in the drink that they sell. What? What's happening? Oh, okay, I'm still recording. Okay. Yeah. Investors relation, financial information, applications. Annual report. I want some annual report. Yep, form, annual report. So the announcements. I want the update presentation. No, not this one. I think it's in applications, but like the update presentation. I don't want to read too much into, well, the annual report because it's too long. I don't have time for that. Well, I think before we dive into it, I'm just gonna lay out the components of analysis that have to do when I value a stock. So usually it starts with business description, and you have to understand topics, details, like the business model, revenue stream, cost structure, production capacity, the value chain, anything else. I think it's since it's manufacturing, maybe commodities prices. I don't know what's driving the cost. Competitive advantage, strategy, competitive mode, strategy, long-term strategy, growth strategy, and its growth strategy. Yeah, I think this is like, I pretty much, you just have to know like the company inside and out, like what they do, what they sell, who's the customer, who's the suppliers, and all that for the business description part. And then you do the industry analysis, industry overview, and competitive positioning. I haven't read too much into like what the drinks industry is like, but I think I can find like some research. Revenue drivers, drivers. I'm just gonna guess they're like customers base, like how many people, populations in each country, in the cells, like according to like the cells that they have in each country, like the portion. And what else? The cost driver, I think. First we have like raw materials, that would be sugar, of course. Material, commodities, soft commodity prices, like commodity, because they sell like fruit juice, coconut juice, and all that. So it's usually I think it's soft commodities. Prices, packaging, and all that, cost driver. The rest, this is like the COGs, the cost of goods sold, the direct cost associated with the products. But the rest is this SG&A, which I don't really usually dive into that. Then we have to do peers analysis. How how is Sipping any different from peers in the same industry and beverages there. Yeah. Maybe we have some qualitative and quantitative information on this. Like the value for precision, precision, the production capacity. The production capacity, the market cap. It's not like a big factor to consider, but I left it out. It is quite important. EBITDA multiples. What else? Yeah, growth strategy. I think it's good to know like what other companies are doing. Growth strategy. How is it any different? Yep. I think that's pretty much it for now. That's all I can think of. The financial analysis. ESG. Oh no, I think it's ESG comes first. ESG analysis. And then we have the valuations, which is the DCF assumption and relative valuations. Related sphere, of course. Then we have the financial analysis, which is the ratios, mini ratios, analysis, mini ratios, like profitability ratios, cash conversion cycle, blah blah blah. And then what else we have? Risk, investment risk. I would say investment risk. Anything else? I think I'm missing something here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Investment risk, corporate governance. That's in here. Well, like I think I need to have like a thesis statement. 3, investment thesis. Okay. Yep. Yeah, pretty much. 1, 2, 3. That's all I can think of. So let's start. First of all, I just want to tell everybody that the source of information that you can find for like this Thai stock, usually you would go, like for America, you would go to read like the annual report, the 10K for the business description, right, and see what the company is doing. And maybe, some presentation every quarter when they release the earnings. So yeah, it's the same here, but here it's going to call Hao-Kitning report, annual report, and update presentation. Yeah, and I think this is pretty much what you can find for this information. And then for the industry analysis, you could read a research report from banks and securities. Here we have Group. I'm just gonna read your Group research on the beverages company, functional drinks, okay, sector, particularly SCB research, and this is like all I'm gonna read. If you can find like the K Bank, then you can read it if you have the time. And also I'm gonna look into Euromonitor. It's a market research company specializes in consumer products, and they have almost like all the things that I want to find, like including quantitative data on like how many drinks are sold, like retail selling, in Thai baht, in volume sales, in all the data types that you can find on your reminder. It's a good database to look into if you have access to it, that is. Yeah, and the rest, valuation, financial analysis, I'm just gonna retrieve from Refinitiv Workspace, like I showed you before, and I already got it. Like income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. That's all I need. So let's start with the income statement. Okay, with the revenue, I'm just gonna percentage growth. Okay, yeah, reach here. Shoot. I'm just gonna make it blue so it's easy to see. Yeah. And oh wait, I think we have to make like a projections. I forgot to make this. Okay. 2023. Let's just do like 5-year projections. I mean it's already 2022, right? But we only have like a quarter earnings that's unreleased. Yeah, so I'm just gonna project into this as well. So let's see. They're pretty solid during COVID. Like the revenue like didn't budge at all. Uh-huh. Let's see. Okay. We have COGS margin and SG&A margins. SG&A margin. Total, I'm just gonna use this line. Operating expenses, total, alright. I don't know. This is the EBIT, actually. Operating profit before non-recurring. Yep, EBIT. Just highlight this one. This is all I need. And the EBIT is just okay. I need ลบด้วย COGS cost COGS ลบด้วย I think say SG&A. I think SG&A. Yep, SG&A. I think they have gross profit, SG&A expense total. Other income and expense, I don't know. Do we count that in? I think we should. Well, actually, it's canceled out, right? Then other income another, yeah, they have, like they add, also, just gonna add it. Percentage of sales. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Until this year. Let's see, growth for maybe 5%. Let's be conservative a little here at first. I'm just gonna plug in the number later, but let's just use this right now. Looks good. Let's see, cost margin. Sure. It's pretty stable, I would say. I'm just gonna use the moving average. Okay. Others, other operating expense and income. They have other income, but I don't know what it is. Let's say like 3% each year. I don't know. Yep. Okay. This is EBIT that we got. Yeah. Let's fix this. SG&A margin. Oh, it's pretty high. And oh, what? I think they must have spent some on here on like last year, like marketing expense, maybe. I don't know. Like keep it 25 for next year, and then assuming it's got lower, to pre-level. Yeah, previous level. Oh. This is pretty. What? This is pretty kind of too low, right? Wait, did I do something wrong? No. No, it's not. Oh, let's see, 30%. Yeah. 24%, 73%. Let's. This is really too high. I don't know what's happening here. Oh, I put it in the wrong. Okay, we got it. Yep, I think we're good. Well, it's 25%. Yeah, looks good. That's still really, really low. Wait. Gross profit. Oh, I put it in the wrong. Yep, it should be gross profit. Yeah. SG&A. I think this looked good, but they just spent a lot last year, and it's just unusual. So, yeah, I think we got the EBIT, and we can just plug in 2019. Okay. Wait. Sabe beauty drink, non-alcoholic beverages. So let's see, it's 34.25. Close today. 34.25. We have depreciation and amortization. Changes in capex, taxes. Let's see for taxes. Okay, taxes, normalized pre-tax profit. I think, wow, this is pretty high. Oh, this is pre-tax profit. Okay, income before taxes, income taxes. Oh, let's see how many percentage this is. Yeah, usually 20%. Like you can use just like 20%. Plug in. Yeah, it's a good big plug in. Yeah. Yep. Depreciation. Okay, let's see. Let's just do depreciation. Revenue. Oh no, plug in the wrong year. Check. 2019 to 2026. Okay, this is like all assumptions I had on other stock that I did. Okay, property and equipment. We can look into the balance sheet. Oh no, it could be, yeah, it could be balance sheet. Property, plant and equipment. PPE. Or, no, I don't need this actually. Capex percentage of sales. Capex, let's see, cash flow. Capex, net cash flow, property, plant, equipment, sales, so net cash flows per processed and equipment sold. Usually I would do like capex as a percentage of sales because that's more consistent. Yeah, it is like 3%. So I'm just gonna average it out as like 3%, maybe. And get the capex. Yep. Depreciation from sales. Depreciation. Oh no! Wait. Okay. Depreciation, we can get it from cash flow statement or like even income statement. I think they have it here in the income statement. Yeah, you have it. Supplemental. I think it's going to be the same number as the one in income in like cash flow statement, like 160, 116, 191. It should be the same. Here it's in non-operating cash depreciation. See, it's the same. Right? Shit. No, I'm putting the wrong number again. It should be in 2019. Okay. I'm just gonna get a different cash flow segment. Cash flow to reconcile. Okay. Just gonna get all of these. Shit. See, it's quite consistent, like between 5 to 6%. So I'm just gonna average it out like every period, and then we get revenue. Okay, let me get depreciation and capex. It's so easy. Depreciation. Capex. Capex. Here. Oh, it's only been 27 minutes? That's not long. Let's just pause. Wait, no.